Good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. We are on November 2nd, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Thank you for joining me today. We're going to start off looking at our sun at 195 angstroms, thanks to the Solar Dynamics Observatory, under different light. Some pretty large filaments dancing the four corners of the sphere. This is 211 angstroms. Watching large coronal hole developing, you can see that one coronal hole pretty much double in size over the last 36 hours. Also watching a little fiery sunspot region. That is where the filament ripped from the other day. Also watching this top left corner, look at that sphere looking ejection. Large magnetic instability on that corner. But I like to look at the sun images from all kinds of different shadings and filters, because it helps you to see everything. We're going to go to the Pacific Disaster Center, and man, oh man, it has been busy, busy, busy. So the Reykjanes Ridge, 5.3 earthquake. Storms in central Brazil, Italy, France. Kentucky, all of these storms of these areas, I've been warning over the last couple days, some pretty nasty storms. Got the Nor-Eastor forming in the United States, and also post-tropical storm Adrian in Europe. But a long list of storms and volcanoes. Busy, busy time, and stay aware and prepared. And I'm really thankful that I'm able to grab people together and share my research with people from all over the world. This is the last 24 hours for earthquakes, largest being the 6.2 in Iquique, Chile. And still aftershocks in Greece. Very deep earthquake in Russia, 431 kilometer depth in Vostok, Russia. And also this deep earthquake in Japan, 346 kilometer depth. And we had some action California as well. This 4.1 recorded about 6 hours ago in Trepinos, California, at a 6 kilometer depth. So watch for a larger, shallower earthquake in North America in the next 24 hours, maybe even 36 hours. A 36-hour warning for even a larger earthquake, as we do have some space weather that's going to be affecting us. South Sandwich Island still going off 5.8 overnight. So from that quiet moments that we had, it was about 24-hour period of dead silence, and then reverberates and transfers again. This is the last 7 days for earthquakes. I'll look around the world. You can see a lot of recent action, all of the white ones in North America. So stay aware and prepared. Cascadia fault line, San Andreas fault line. We've got every tectonic plate moving right now, and it's moving mountains. You know, we've got large mountain ranges like the Mongolian mountains here in China. Mount Etna in Italy. But you can see a lot of really deep earthquakes recently in the Tonga region, as well as the northwest Pacific Plate. Stay aware and prepared for earthquakes. We're going to look at weather now, overlooking Europe. A large low pressure system is going to be affecting parts of Ireland and also Norway, Finland, and still the low pressure system over the Mediterranean. This is huge. This is huge. We need to stay aware and prepare, folks. This is changing drastically. These low pressure systems are getting bigger and bigger and windier. Man, oh man. I'm sorry, I got kind of blown away by what I was looking at here. And yet another Nor-Eastor forming for the United States, creating a long line of moisture, atmospheric river straight across the southeastern seaboard. Watching an Alberta low come south, as well as a Colorado low, and then they're going to form a pretty nasty Nor-Eastor next week. So next Wednesday, look for a pretty nasty Nor-Eastor heading across northeastern United States and Canada. Northern Alberta, cold, and getting a little bit of snow, about 5 to 10 centimeters, but Grand Prairie is going to be getting about a foot of snow as that storm moves east and dumps a bunch in Saskatchewan and Manitoba and northern Ontario as it heads east. So this is what kind of blew me away. I'm looking at very large low pressure systems in the northern hemisphere. And also watching another tropical storm developing just southwest of Mexico City. It's going to be heading north and then west. So we'll see what happens over the next coming days. See how far that cold high pressure comes down. Heavy downpour, daily evaporation across South America and Brazil, so floods throughout this area. Watching large low pressure system, high pressure system colliding. Creating atmospheric compression earthquakes in the South Sandwich Islands and Drake's Passage. Day after day, there is a large, dense, deep lower trough affecting this area. And that's what I've been warning since the beginning of my channel, is that these low pressure systems and high pressure systems are getting bigger and stronger, and things are changing drastically. I want to thank you all for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.
you.